Did you just get EA installed and are wondering where to begin? In this video series, we'll look at covering the basics. I'm going to start out by showing you the Exploration Archives window. We'll look at adjusting the navigation panel, and lastly, we'll look at the toolbar in the workspace. Hi, I'm Angela DeLuna from Talos Technologies. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Exploration Archives window. It's divided into two sections. On the left, you'll find the navigation panel, and the rest of the screen is called the work area. We can hide or resize the navigation panel. You can do that by hovering over the border between the two panes until your mouse changes to a double-sided arrow. Click and drag the navigational panel to change its size. For maximum real estate, click this button to hide the navigation panel. Don't worry if you need to access the panel again, just click the button one more time. Next is the work area. This is where most of the features are found. All of the modules that you click on the navigation pane will open up as a separate tab in the work area. You can easily switch between the tabs to access and edit your data. Each module has a handy workspace toolbar that lets you edit the data. You'll find Save, Cancel, and Reload in the toolbar. Another tip to keep in mind is that the entire application can be resized to make it easier to see your data. This is very helpful for users who like to see their data using multiple monitors. Most of the sections inside the main modules can also be detached and moved around. If you have any questions or need help, reach out to our Exploration Archives team. We'd be happy to help.